Let's model a spoon, but this time we'll do it in two different ways. One using SOLIDWORKS Surface Modeling, and the other using X-shape sub-D modeling on the 3D Experience platform. I'll walk you through the process side by side while we track the number of clicks and the features used in real time, so you can clearly see the differences in the workflow, complexity, and efficiency. Surface modeling gives you a high level of precision and control, but often involves more steps and a steeper learning curve. X-shape, on the other hand, offers fast, flexible form manipulation with fewer constraints, and this is ideal for organic, ergonomic shapes like this. Once both models are complete, we will do a visual comparison of the final results. You will be able to judge for yourself which one is cleaner and which one is faster, and more importantly, which approach suits your design style better. So, if you are trying to decide when to use parametric surface modeling versus sub-D modeling, or you are simply curious how X-shape compares to classic SOLIDWORKS, this video should give you a clear and practical answer. Let's jump in and see the difference.